Okay, what do you know about volcanoes, Edwin?
Volcanoes are, do you know what they are? Volcanoes are openings in Earth's surface. Some look like mountains, others are flat and low. When a volcano erupts, it sends hot lava, rocks, gas, and ash into the air. What causes them? Pressure builds deep in Earth. Magma is pushed up to the surface. The volcano erupts. Magma that reaches the surface is called lava. It flows down the volcano. I learned that by reading it on PebbleGo.
What else do you know from PebbleGo?
That's all I remember about volcanoes.
Do you know anything about anything else from PebbleGo?